viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to create custom audience in Facebook Ads Manager using the email list, right? I hope you are running a business and you have emails of your existing customer or prospect customers. Now you want to create a custom audience of those users who have signed up their Facebook or Instagram account using those email IDs that you already have, right? And you just want to showcase your business ads to those users on Facebook and Instagram platform, right? So how to create that custom audience of email IDs using customer list, right, in Facebook Ads Manager? So as you can see, I'm into my Ads Manager, and here we are in the audiences section, and here we button is there of create audience. I will simply click on this, click on custom audience, and select the customer list as data source, and then click on next. Now here we have an option of downloading the sample file template. I will click on this, so I will get an idea how to enter the email list in the Excel, right? I will simply open this downloaded file. I hope you already have this Excel installed and your Excel has been activated. Then only you can edit this Excel, right? If your Excel or Microsoft Office is not activated, then might be you are not able to edit that particular CSV. So you need to activate your Microsoft Office in that case. So as you can see, here are lots of columns we don't require, we just require the email column. So I am just leaving this first email column and selecting the rest of the columns, and will simply delete them all. Okay, here we can enter the email IDs of people whom we want to target and want to showcase our retargeting ads. For example, I am just entering my email ID as of now. So I have entered my email ID over here, and in the same manner you can just simply enter the rest of users email ID whom you want to showcase your ad, right? Now I'm again clicking on save button to save this file, and I've minimized this. Okay, we are back onto our browser, and here we will click on next, and here it is asking us to choose the file on our device. We will simply click on this, and again we will select the file that we have edited. I have selected the file and clicked on open, and here we can rename this custom audience as per our convenience. So we know that which is our custom audience of email list. So I have just entered a name and will click on next, and it is showing me that one column has been mapped, that is of email address. Import and create. Okay, the one row has been uploaded, and now you can see that trial email list custom audience has been created, right? And it is right now populating, and it will get ready in next 24 to 48 hours. Then we can run ad campaigns, retargeting ad campaigns on this custom audience by selecting this custom audience while creating a new ad campaign. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase our course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.